Hello everyone, I am Masud Rana from Bahrain. Welcome to my channel Masud Rana Cooking with Care. So guys, today I just want to show you homemade chicken finger. Homemade chicken finger, very easy and simple recipe. So keep watching me until I finish all the recipe. So thank you very much and let's go guys, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more about this channel. Thank you very much guys. So this is our hotel. I'm working here. So guys, watch out chicken finger recipe. For the chicken finger, for one order, take all-purpose flour 1 tablespoon, corn flour 1 tablespoon, mustard powder like half tablespoon. This is mustard powder. This is the brand. All supermarket this one available. Salt in taste. Normally I put quarter tablespoon, and Tabasco for the flavor and spices. If you want more spicy, put more. If you don't like spicy, put for flavor only little. Put 1 piece egg, crushed chili powder quarter tablespoon. Now mix together. Now this marinade ready for chicken finger, and this is Brazilian chicken breast. I take 1 piece and I cut 7 pieces. This one, this same like finger size. The 7 piece I will make now one order. Now I mix here all together. This is homemade chicken finger, very easy to make guys. When you are hungry, just take 1 piece Brazilian chicken breast and cut like finger size, and ingredients you watch out my video, you can find out. So now I am going to make. So this one breadcrumb powder, this one all the supermarket available, nicely covered with breadcrumb. Okay, so this 7 piece chicken finger I cover with breadcrumb nicely. Now I am going to fry and show you guys. So keep watching me. Thank you guys. This is like 180 temperature, and now I'm going to fry. So guys, chicken finger ready. Now I am going to serve for the guest. Chicken finger is ready. See, my chicken finger very crispy, excellent and yummy. Next time try. Watch out whole video please. So my homemade chicken finger is ready guys. Thank you very much for watching me, and thanks for all of you support. This is homemade, very easy, simple, anytime you can make. Just watch out the video and you can make also. Very easy guys. Take care, bye bye, see you again with next new video.